Hi friends, welcome to the output. In this session we are going to see about that property quoted identifier in SQL Server. Quoted identifier causes SQL Server to follow the ISO rules regarding quotation mark, delimiting identifiers and literal strings. Identifiers delimited by double quotation marks can be either Transact-SQL reserved keywords or can contain characters not generally allowed by the Transact-SQL syntax rules for identifiers. So using these two strings, one is identifier and one is literal strings. Identifier name, first one, identifier name will not accept the reserved word, and literal strings, if we pass one single quotation statement to the worker field, it will not accept. So using this quoted identifier, we can create identifier name as a reserved word. We can use the reserved word to the identifier name and pass single quotation data to the worker column. Let us check this simple example. We are going to create table test and select worker. Here, if we execute this, it will raise the error because select the reserved word. We cannot create a column name here. So if you want to create this, enable quoted identifier and highlight the reserved word within a double quotation, then execute, it will create it. So table was created and we can fetch from this. So given column are listed. So this is one way to create an identifier with a reserved word using quoted identifier. The second one is passing a single quotation character data to the worker value. Here going to insert the value to the table. Here we should use a single quotation here. Peter's father is a teacher. So if we execute this line, it will raise the error and close the quotation mark after the character string, because the literal strings syntax are within a single quotation for worker data type column or the string data types. So here using this set quoted identifier of, that means identifier name turned off to the double quotation and enable the literal strings within a double quotation. It will accept literal strings within a double quotation. So if you execute this, the data inserted. Peter's father is a teacher. So if we enable quoted identifier on, we can use reserved word as a identifier name. That's the quoted identifier on. If we disable the quoted identifier and we can pass the double quotation, we can pass the data or value to the table within a double quotation. So these are the simplest example for quoted identifier. Hope this session will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you friends.